Subscribe TechTouch channel and press the bell icon for more latest video.
Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I will show you in this video how to fix the app you are trying to install is not a Microsoft verification in Windows 10 PC. Please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, open a Windows setting. After open the Windows setting, click on apps. Select app and features. You can see here app and features, installing apps. Allow apps from the store only. Select here allow apps from anywhere. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this error. Thanks for watching friends. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.